The protesting wrestler led by Bajrang Punia and Sakshi Malik have reached the residence of Union Minister for Youth Affairs and Sport Anurag Singh Thakur in New Delhi for talks. The CBI is conducting raids in 20 places in Kolkata in connection with an alleged municipality recruitment scam. As part of the World Food Safety Day celebrations, Union Health Minister Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya will release the State Food Safety Index. Regional Meteorological Center Mumbai has informed that deep depression intensified into the cyclonic storm Biparjoy over east, central and adjoining Southeast Arabian Sea. World Test Championship WTC final will begin between India and Australia at the Oval in England today.